Let me tell you a harsh truth. Most people don't hate their jobs. They hate that they traded freedom for comfort and now they feel stuck. If you've ever sat at your desk thinking, is this really it? You're not alone and it's not your fault. Today I'll show you the 3 traps that keep people stuck in their 9 to 5 forever and the exact system that helped me break out. Starting with 0 audience, 0 investors, 0 permission. Lean in because this might be the most important shift you'll ever make. Trap number 1, comfort pays just enough to keep you there. When I got my first job, I thought good salary, a stable life, I made it. But then something weird happened. The more I got comfortable, the more my dreams got silent. Your job pays you just enough to survive, but not enough to live. Your paycheck is rent for your time. If you don't own your time, you don't own your life. Start saving 10 to 20% of your income into a freedom fund, not for emergencies, for opportunities. Trap number 2, you trade time for money. No matter how good you are, there are only 24 hours. I realized if I ever wanted freedom, I needed to build something that earns even when I'm not working. Start with one simple skill. Turn it into a tiny offer. No business plan, no perfection, just one person paying you. Trap number 3, you wait for permission. I kept telling myself, when I feel ready, I'll start. I never felt ready. The people who escape are the ones who start messy. Learn fast, fail forward. Here's the escape formula. Pick one useful skill, solve one painful problem, help one real person, repeat, raise the price, systemize, buy back your time. That's how you regain control. If you're feeling stuck in your 9 to 5, use that job like an investor, not a prison. Subscribe because I'm sharing every step of building a business with freedom at the center. Your life is too big for a cubicle. Let's break out together.